Okay, how to repair a flat tire. That's how with a screw or nail in here. What you gotta do is right here. All right. Now we wanna. Okay, I'm gonna be using one of those right here. $4 at Walmart. Okay, now I'm gonna be using this one. I'm gonna put it right here. Real hard. Yeah. I'm gonna place it right here. Okay, I just put it right here. Okay, this is 110 psi with some air right here. 34 psi. 34 psi. Okay, this is. I gotta put 34 psi. Let's see, that's on 10. I'm on 10 now. 34 psi. Okay, and this tire is ready. Ready to go.